Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am introducing a tool that can completely change how you create videos online. It's called Pictory AI. This platform uses artificial intelligence to turn simple text, blog posts, scripts, and even audio into professional-looking videos in minutes. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purpose only. Features, pricing, and performance may change over time. Always review the platform directly before making any business decision. Now let's break it down properly. Viewers, Pictory AI is an online video creation platform. You do not need editing skills. You do not need expensive software. You do not even need to appear on camera. It works inside your browser. Everything is cloud-based. The system uses AI to read your content and automatically match it with visuals, music captions, and voiceovers. It is built for speed, it's built for simplicity, and it's built for creators who want results without technical headaches. This is one of the strongest features of Pictory AI is text-to-video feature. Here you can check out its different features. You can find out text-to-video, you can find out AI video editor, PPT video, and URL to video, image to video, and smart record. So I will explain one by one all these features. Viewers, text-to-video feature is one of the strongest features. You paste a script, the AI scans your content, it selects valid and stock footage, automatically it adds captions, it creates scenes. Within minutes you get a ready-to-publish video. You can edit scenes, change visuals, adjust text, and customize branding. It saves hours of manual editing. And the next one is URL to video or article or URL to video. If you run a blog website, this feature is powerful. You paste your article link, Pictory extracts the key points, it converts them into short video scenes. This is perfect for turning written content into YouTube videos, making clips, or social media posts. It helps repurpose and content. And repurposing, you can check out content means more reach without creating from scratch. So viewers, you can also check out AI video editing. Very simple video editing tool is also available. You can find out. And here you can also check out that this tool is amazing because Pictory makes it simple. You can remove filler words. You can cut silent parts automatically. You can edit videos by editing text. And yes, you read that right. You edit text and with your gesture self. This makes podcast editing, webinar streaming, and content repurposing much easier. Now the next one is auto captions and subtitles. Viewers, captions are extremely important today. Most people watch videos without sound. Pictory automatically adds captions to your videos. They are accurate, they are customizable. You can change fonts and styles. This increases engagement and improvements. And the next feature is AI voiceover. Viewers not comfortable recording their own voice? No problem. Pictory offers realistic AI voiceovers, multiple accents and different tones. Professional sound. You just select a voice, and the system narrates you a script. This is useful for faceless YouTube channels, explainer videos, and marketing ads. Viewers, you can check out that brand identity matters. You can add your logo, brand colors, custom fonts, background music. This keeps your videos consistent and professional whether you are a business owner or a content creator. Branding helps build recognition. And the important point, who should use Pictory AI? Viewers, Pictory AI is ideal for YouTube creators, digital marketers, coaches and educators, bloggers, agencies, small business owners. If you want to create more video content but have limited time, this tool can help simplify your workflow. So if you want to join this platform, here you can check out different pricing plans. Viewers, Pictory AI offers different subscription plans depending on your needs. There is typically a trial option available so users can test features before committing. But here you can check out Starter, Professional, Team, and Enterprise. Starter price is $25 per month, and with 200 videos minutes, and the Professional pricing plan with $35, Team $119, and Enterprise, it provides you the customizable plan with 10 plus users and in custom video minutes and many more details. Here you can also check out the different details. Here you can find out each and every detail. You can compare plans and choose the one that suits you. Viewers' plans vary based on video length, limits, export quality, and advanced features. Always review the official pricing page for the most updated details. Viewers, here you can also check out that the dashboard of Pictory AI is very user-friendly. And here you can choose text to video, URL to video, AI video editor, summarize video, audio to video, images to video, PP2 to video, and record. So this is amazing interface. Here's what makes Pictory AI different. It removes complexity, it saves time, it scores faceless content creation. It helps repurpose content easily instead of spending hours editing. Your focus on ideas. The AI handles the technical side. That is the real value. You can follow Pictory AI on X. On X you can find out latest information, updates, announcements about the Pictory AI. Show viewers if you want to create professional videos without cameras, without advanced editing skills, and without spending endless hours on timelines and cuts. Pictory AI is definitely worth exploring. It's simple, it's fast, it's beginner-friendly. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video and share it with others who want to grow their content the smart way. Thank you for spending your time with me. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care and goodbye.